So if you registered on Moonshot using my link and you've been struggling to fund your Moonshot account and actually buy the coins I have listed in the academy or in our free group, here is what you need to do so that you can fund your Moonshot account and start buying those coins. Because if you look at it, the ones I gave earlier, for instance, I gave this particular one earlier. As you can see here, you can see that my portfolio right here on this is already about 187%, right? So there are other ones also that I gave that are above 100% already, but that's not what I want to show us here. So I want to quickly show you how you can fund your account and start buying so that you don't miss out from all the coins I'm dropping in our academy or the free community. And by the way, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you are welcome. This is Blockchain Plus. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Just hit the subscribe button, and if you love this kind of content, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question, use the comment section to ask me your questions and I will answer all of your questions for you. And most importantly, please share this video with your friends so that they can also benefit from this kind of valuable content. And if you're not in our community where I actually share all of these things, you are welcome to join us. This is our community. This is Blockchain Plus. This is the community. Just come to Telegram and search for Blockchain Plus. We do a whole lot in this place. There are a whole lot that we do here, all about trading, make investment, and what making profit. That is what we do in this place. And if you want to take a step further, you can also join our academy. To join the academy is actually very cheap. With just 30,000 naira or 20 USDT, you can join our academy. Now, when you join the academy, you have access to our premium signal. This is our premium signal. You can see in the premium signal there are a whole lot of trades that we drop here, and we do a whole lot. You can see that is a win, this is another win. So there are a whole lot of things we do here. This is another win. You can see them. So you get access to the signal group, the premium signal group, and you also get access to our DeFi group where I drop these low cap gems that you can actually make good money from, right? So you get access to the DeFi group, you get access to the signal group, and then you also get access to the same community where I mentor you. I teach you everything about crypto trading, forex trading, and binary option. That is what I do in the academy, and all of this you get access to them with just your $20 or 30,000 naira for 1 full year. All right, with that said, let's go back to the video so that I will just show you what you need to do to fund your Moonshot account and start trading. Right now, when you come to Moonshot after registering using the link in the description of this video, the next thing you want to do is to fund your account. So to fund your account, all you need to do is to click on this place. You can see that, right? So let me do it again. You can see this place. Just click on that place that says holding. So when you click on holding, you can see in this place, you can see deposit, you can see send, and you can see withdraw. So you want to deposit an amount, right? Depending on how much you want to use to trade. But before I go ahead to talk about the deposit, one thing you must always do is that if you are using Solana or cash, that is USDC, always make sure that you have some left here. You can see I have like 1.56 USDC right there. That is, I'm just leaving it there in case I want to swap and they need gas fee for me to swap. I will have something to swap. This is like a decentralized platform, so you will need a swapping fee before you can be able to swap whenever you are exchanging or you are selling your token, right? So make sure you have that in your account. Don't just use everything to buy coin. Now, with that said, so how do you make deposit? So you click on this deposit right here. You click on this deposit. That is how you make deposit. Now, once you click on deposit, as you can see here, you see under deposit, you see cash. So if I click on this drop down arrow right here, you are going to see Solana and you're going to see cash. So this cash is actually USDC. Then Solana, of course, we know is the altcoin, is a crypto coin. that you can also use. But for me, I use the USDC. Now, funding with USDC, you must be sure that the network is what? Solana. Do not use any other network, because Moonshot is purely based on what? Solana trading. For now, maybe in the future they are going to add other ones, but for now it's all about Solana coins, right? So make sure you're funding with your Solana coin. So now, once you've seen that, the next thing you want to do is to copy this wallet address that is given to you. So how you copy it? You just click on this clipboard here to copy it. So you click on this. Now I have copied it. After copying, the next thing you want to do is to go to either your Bybit, your Gate, your Make Exchange, or even your Telegram to buy the coin, right? So I'm going to use my Bybit right now. So on my Bybit, this is my Bybit. I want to say a very big thanks to one of our community member, one of my students, who just sent me $50. You can see it. This person sent me $50 as a gift today, and I want to say thank you very much to this person. I don't want to mention the name. Yesterday as well, he also sent me $50 yesterday, and today he sent me another $50. Well, it is not just because he just wanted to dash me money, it's because he's getting values from this place. As a matter of fact, he has made so much money from this place, from all that I've given to him. He has gotten value in terms of education, in terms of monetary value, and he just said, I want to gift you. So he just gifted me this one today. So I want to show you how to fund your account using what he has gifted me as a gift. Now, what you need to do, I already have it here. Is in my funding, right? Now, if you don't have your own, all you just need to do is to come to P2P. Click on P2P, Bybit P2P, like I said. If you're using Bybit, or you're using Gate, you're using Make, or you're using Telegram, just go to the P2P, then you buy the coin. Of course, we are on buy. You can see that you're on buy, but before you buy, change here to USDC, because you're buying USDC. So you change that to USDC so that you're going to buy USDC, right? Now, after buying, you're going to see it on your P2P, right? So you're going to see it on your what? Asset under funding. After buying, you're going to see it on your asset under funding. Now, once you see it there, the next thing you want to do is to click on this withdraw, so that you can actually withdraw the money. Remember, we copied our USDC wallet address from Moonshot. So now we click on withdraw, right? So once you click on withdraw, of course my own is on USDT. So before I go ahead to withdraw, I want to convert it to USDC. So I want to convert $20 worth to USDC and send it to Moonshot, right? So USDT is up. Now change here to USDC. So I'll just type USDC. This is it. So now I've changed it to USDC. Then I'll put the amount I want to withdraw here. This is the amount. So they said I'm going to get that as equivalent. So let me just put 22 so that I will get this as equivalent. Then I will do this, and then I'll click on confirm, order in progress, and then now it has completed. So let me go back. So now I have USDC. If I come here, I'm going to see USDC of this and USDT of that, right? So I want to send the USDC. So I'll now click on withdraw from here again. Now I will choose USDC. So now I choose USDC, and then I will paste the wallet address right inside here. So I'll just click and paste it right there. So now when I paste it, you will now see here that says network. So that is the network area. So I'll click on it to choose Solana, right? So I just chose Solana as the network, and it has verified. So the next thing I want to do is to withdraw. So I'll just click on maximum because I want to withdraw everything. I'll click on this maximum here. Once I click on maximum, you can see the amount I will withdraw is this, because they are going to charge me a bit, right? They are going to charge me 1 USDC. So I'm going to receive 20.8 7 USDC in my what Moonshot account. So I'll click on withdraw. So now once I click on withdraw, you have to be very careful with this part. Once I click on withdraw, before I will confirm it, I will check this aspect and then check here to see that they match with what I have there. So here I have this 4NX blah blah blah. I'll go back and check it, 4NX CDE, right, C6E. So that is what is there. The same thing with here, I've checked. So let me confirm this side is correct. Now I will come back, then I'll just check this so that I will always keep this for next time. Okay, it's not checking anyway. So let me just click on confirm right now. Okay, I think I've checked it before. I have actually added this to my whitelist before. That's why it was no longer checking and it was actually checked. So now I have withdrawn this to my account. I'll click on OK, and that is that about how you withdraw. Now, if I come back here, you're going to see it in this place. Let's see if it's already here. Okay, so it has not arrived, but we are going to wait for it to arrive together. And meanwhile, while we are waiting for it to arrive, let me just run down through the process again. Now, if you don't have the coin, understand what I said you have to do. You have to buy it using P2P. You can buy from Bybit P2P, Telegram P2P, Gate.io also offers P2P in Nigeria, and then Make Exchange also offers P2P in Nigeria. So you can buy from those places. Always make sure you're buying USDC, not USDT. Then when you're sending, make sure you are choosing the right wallet address, which is Solana network, right? Now you can see deposit cash. The cash has arrived. This is it right here. So it says make a trade. Of course, I've taught you guys how to trade using Moonshot, how to buy and sell using Moonshot. So go and watch the video to understand how to buy and sell using Moonshot. Alright guys, that is it from me in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you've also subscribed to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed.